Hi, in this video we'll look at the 3D preview generator in Shopware 6, or rather the service, which is also part of the service set from Intelligence Plus. If you don't have Intelligence Plus yet, or don't know how to get it, feel free to watch our video on adding Intelligence Plus in Shopware 6. The whole thing is in a playlist where all the other features included there are also explained. You can find the link to it in the video description, of course. Let's take a look at an example storefront here. It's not really much to look at, but I set up the instance specifically for this video and created a demo product here, which we can just open up. We can, of course, add the 3D file we already created in our last video to the product here and then view it, which I think is very cool and very modern. However, there are also cases where you might say, okay, I just want to have a static image from the 3D file. And this is where the 3D preview generator comes into play. So let's switch over to the administration so we can take a closer look at it. Once in the administration, we can first navigate to the media section of our administration. To do this, I just click on Content and then on Media. I've already created a video folder beforehand. Maybe you already know it from the last video. I'm going to upload a 3D file here, specifically this GLB file, and then just click on Open and it will be added. Now it'll load for a moment and I'll make a small cut here, of course. After the file has been uploaded, the preview is also automatically generated. We now have the 3D GLB file here as we know it. We can also view it here directly in the administration already in this 3D preview. And we also have the static image we wanted, which was then rendered from the 3D image, which I could now add to my product, for example. That means we had a product in the storefront earlier. If I open it here now, it's still in my recent searches. Then I can scroll down and then we have the two other added images here, of course, and I could click on Open Media here. I'd then have to go to the exact file path again, would have the image here, can click on Add Media, save the product, and then we can take a quick look at it in the storefront. Back in the storefront, we now see the third image, which is the static image, the rendering from our 3D file, which we can now simply use as a product image. I hope this video helped you, and in the next video, we'll look at the next service from Intelligence Plus in Shopware 6.